Tonight I am representing the Jamaican side of me tonight, and I'm going to cook something really good for you. Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. Have you had one of those nights when you came in the kitchen and didn't know what you were going to cook? Well, tonight I had one of those nights. I came in, I had no idea what I was going to cook. But after looking at the ingredients that I had in my kitchen, I decided why not make brown stew chicken. So that's what I'm making. So the ingredients that I have here are, I already washed and cleaned the chicken. And I seasoned it already, as you can see. And what I used to season the chicken was paprika, salt and pepper, and garlic powder. That's it. And I used some parsley flakes. I chopped up some garlic. I chopped up 2 garlic cloves. And I sliced up a quarter of a red onion, quarter of a onion, a quarter of red pepper, a quarter of a green pepper. And I have a quarter cup of ketchup. And I have 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. And I have some thyme. And I have 1 cube of chicken, a bouillon cube. So I just added 2 tablespoons of oil to this pot, and I have it heating up. And I'm going to add sugar, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and let this melt. So once this gets hot, it's going to turn to a hot, thick, dark, basically like a molasses. This is what we want it to be this dark. So nowadays we have our sugar basically brown. That's gonna turn our chicken brown. Okay, so let me see if I can do this without. Okay, yeah. Trying to burn myself. So I'm going to turn it so you can see what it looks like on the other side. See? It starts getting brown like that. You can leave it long if you want to. And that's just a trick if you don't have browning sauce. And it always does wonders for me. I never buy browning sauce ever, because this always works. See that? Look how pretty. You see that? See how pretty the chicken is? You don't need to buy browning gravy to brown your chicken. I've been doing this for a long time, and my chicken always comes out nice and brown. So I just wanted to show you. You can save a few dollars. So I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients. I'm going to throw in my thyme. I'm going to throw in the tomato sauce, or the ketchup, the ketchup. Probably going to use a little more ketchup. Let me see. I'm going to throw in my peppers, onions, garlic. I might add a little more onions later, but for right now, this is what I'm going to add. I'm adding 3 cups of water to the pot, and I have the chicken broth broken up into it, so that's going to dissolve when the chicken is cooking. So this is what we have, and I'm going to let this cook for about 2 hours, and I'm going to cover it up at the top, and I'll be back. Oh, this looks good and it tastes good. This won't be brown stew chicken without a Scotch bonnet pepper, so I have to put this in because it's missing that heat that it needs. It's just sweet, so I'm going to put this in on the side right there. That's my Scotch bonnet pepper. All right, now we're cooking. My kitchen is smelling really good tonight. I have coconut rice and peas, and I have my brown stew chicken cooking, and on the other side of the stove I have my plantains frying up. So everything smells really good, and I'm just adding a bay leaf because I forgot to add it earlier. Look at my delicious rice and peas, and I added coconut milk to it, so it's gonna really taste delicious. Up here is some cornstarch. I just added a tablespoon of cornstarch to some water, and I'm just gonna pour it inside. And that's just to thicken up the gravy because it's too thin. And again, I might add a little bit more depending how thick this gets. But so far it's cooking down nicely and it really smells delicious. I wish you guys could smell it. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just cover this up for a moment and I'll be back. See this grease right here? I'm gonna try to take some of this out because you don't want grease in your brown stew. It's a lot of grease. Check it out. Let's go see how it looks. Oh, it looks really good. And the sauce is nice and thick. Look at that. See? The cornstarch really made it nice and thick. So I didn't eat any potatoes tonight. But yeah, this is ready to be plated, so I'm going to plate this and I'll be back. Well guys, this is my delicious brown stew chicken, my coconut rice and peas, and my plantains. It can't get any better than that, alright? Well guys, thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. Please stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Have a good night. God bless. Bye bye.